Hello, I'm Dr. Emily Gislevik, and I specialize in the research and development of omega-3 supplements at ZINZINO. My expertise lies in polyphenolic fish oil and algae oil supplements and fatty acid profiling. I have a PhD in food and nutrition science with a special interest in essential fatty acids, and the deep insight from a fatty acid blood sample helped me and my team to create new ways to support overall lasting health in both adults and children. You probably know that omega-3 is an essential nutrient that we mainly get from fish. I'm also guessing that fish might not be your kid's number one choice at the dinner table. Most children don't like the taste or smell of fish, but still, fish is the natural source of the fatty acids they need for their cognitive development, for the brain, vision, and normal immune functions. Research shows that as many as 95% of children today aren't getting the right recommended daily dose of omega-3s. And did you know that most supplements that are supposed to bridge the gap have not been formulated to stay stable in the human body? When the omega-3 fatty acids are inside the fish, they remain stable and active. But as soon as the oil is extracted from the fish, the omega-3s start to oxidize. For our bodies to safely absorb the nutrients in the fish oil, the supplement needs to be specially formulated with the right antioxidants. It also needs to be tailored to individual needs, because there are major differences when it comes to how we accumulate omega-3s in the body. And that is specifically significant when we're growing. So first of all, when you decide to supplement with omega-3 to fill your kids' needs of these essential nutrients, you need to make sure they're getting the right dose. Today's guidelines for healthy omega-3 targets, and consequently the dosage instructions, are primarily based on how adults' bodies are set up, even though the fatty acid levels in children are very different. A simple blood test to reveal your child's current status is your best guide here. And secondly, you need to choose an omega-3 supplement that is rich in EPA and DHA in its natural triglyceride form. This is the most important form of omega-3s because it's easily absorbed in the body. But it needs to be fresh and potent in order to make it into the cells. That is why you must check if the fish oil has the right antioxidants that will keep the omega-3s from going rancid. ZINZINO has found a unique method to stabilize the fatty acids in fish oil in the same natural way as inside the fish. This has put our range of balance oils in a league of its own. Not only does BalanceTest Tutti Frutti have a kid-friendly flavor, specific dosage instructions for children, and a fish oil rich in EPA and DHA and vitamin D. Above all, the blend is mixed with cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, packed with naturally powerful antioxidants that keep the fatty acids fresh in the same kind of way as in fish. The result is a pure, resistant fish oil with no fishy taste, and omega-3 nutrients that are easily and safely absorbed in your child's body. We have to this day collected data from 13,000 children, and they reveal that kids who use balance oil have significantly higher omega-3 levels compared to non-users, and their EPA and DHA levels were increased by 74%. So, in conclusion, we all have picky eaters at the table. It will pass. Until then, make sure to monitor your kids' omega-3 levels. And if you decide to supplement, pick one with proven and functional benefits. A blood spot test will give it to you in writing. ZINZINO has performed over 1 million fatty acid tests to date, and we are putting all those insights into use in our daily work to give children a fun and functional alternative to fish, and parents the peace of mind that they deserve. Together, we can provide our children with the very best nutritional foundation that they need to grow into happy, healthy human beings. Thank you for listening.